Female cats have some distinct characteristics and traits that are unique to gender. Female domestic cats are fascinating creatures, and there are many interesting facts about them that many people may not know, from their unique biology to their behavior and socialization. Here are 12 interesting facts about female domestic cats. Number 1. Female cats form colonies and stick together. In the wild, female cats live in colonies. Within colonies, female cats help each other raise their kittens and guard the colony against intruders. The queen cats will nurse, groom, and protect each other's young. Adult male cats, however, do not live in colonies. They remain on their own to avoid having to compete for food and females. Female cats also claim much less territory than male cats. In one study, researchers found that on average male cats maintain a territory 3 times larger than females. For this reason, it is often easier to introduce female cats to other female cats or to introduce one male and one female. Number 2. Nearly all Calicos and Tortoiseshell cats are female. Tortoiseshell cats, also known as torties, have bicolored coats that look like the shell of a tortoise. Their colors are often ginger, red, and black. Likewise, calico cats have a tricolor coat with distinctively marked patterns that contain black, white, and orange. Interestingly enough, calicos and torties are almost always female. In fact, research has shown that fewer than 1 in 1,000 calico cats are male and only about 1 in 3,000 tortoiseshell cats are male. This is because only the female X chromosome carries information on coat color. Males have only one X chromosome, but females have 2 X chromosomes. This means colored coat patterns are almost always reserved for female cats. But there is an exception. Although very rare, male cats can be born with 2 X chromosomes, which can result in a male tortoiseshell or calico. These male cats are sterile and often face serious health issues. Number 3. A litter of kittens can have multiple fathers. Yes, this is true. Cats can have between 1 and 9 kittens in a litter, and kittens in a single litter can have multiple fathers. As you can imagine, if a female cat interacts with multiple males during her fertile days, her eggs can be fertilized by more than one male cat. The ability to produce a litter of kittens fathered by more than one cat is known as superfecundation. This helps to explain the differences seen in a single litter, not only in the variety of coat color or length but also the personality of the kittens. Studies have shown that friendly fathers produce friendly kittens, whereas fearful fathers tend to produce more fearful kittens. Interestingly enough, superfecundation also happens in other animals such as dogs and horses, and although very rare, it can also happen in humans with multiple pregnancies. Number 4. They usually have right-pawed feet. Paw preference also differs by gender, with female cats tending to favor their right paw. The Queen's University Belfast researchers found that female cats were more likely to use their right paws when reaching for food or to step over objects, whereas male cats were more likely to use their left paws. The researchers discovered this after observing hundreds of cats reaching for food or stepping over different objects. It's interesting to note that most people who are left-handed are males. Some cats are able to use either paw equally, demonstrating their ambidextrous nature. Number 5. They find adopters more slowly. A study found that female cats were forced to stay at the shelter longer than male cats. To be precise, girls find a family after an average of 8.3 months, while boys find a family after 6.4 months. This is probably because many people think that male cats are more affectionate than females. Fortunately, for the sake of the ladies, we can tell off this stereotype because modern research has established that this characteristic is more regulated by the breed and personality of the cat. Number 6. Female cats live longer. One study found that the average lifespan of female cats was 15 years, which was 2 years longer than male cats, which live on average 13 years. This longer life expectancy might be due to the fact that female cats are less inclined to have wanderlust in search of potential mates. Roaming outdoors puts cats into more dangerous situations where they might be hit by cars or attacked by dogs or wildlife. Cats that spend a lot of time outside are also more exposed to deadly diseases like feline leukemia, feline infectious peritonitis, and rabies. Female pet cats that were spayed had even greater longevity, living an additional 0.6 years on average compared to unspayed female cats. Number 7. Female cats can urine spray. Although urine marking is commonly associated with male cats, female cats spray urine as well. This normal feline behavior can be problematic for house cats when they spray urine indoors. Urine spraying involves a standing cat depositing urine on vertical surfaces like walls, couches, trees, etc. Urine spraying is related to territory marking and mating behavior, but some cats will spray urine if they are stressed or unwell. If your female cat is spraying urine and your vet cannot find a medical reason for it, the first step is to have your cat spayed. Other solutions include removing stressors in the home and using calming pheromones. Number 8. It's more expensive to spay female cats. Neutering male cats is relatively quick and easy because the veterinarian does not have to enter the body cavity to remove the testicles. Conversely, the spay surgery for female cats is a more invasive abdominal surgery. It requires more anesthesia, surgical tools, and time, so it usually costs more than a neuter surgery for a male cat. Spaying your female cat can reduce behavioral issues like urine spraying, eliminates the chance of uterine cancer, and lowers the risk of other hormonally linked diseases. Number 9. Female cats are less likely to scratch. In the wild, cats scratch trees and fence posts to mark their territory by leaving both a visual mark and a scent. Cats have scent glands on their paws. By depositing their scent on an area, they are marking it as theirs and alerting other felines to their presence. Because male cats are more territorial, they have a stronger urge to scratch furniture, doors, and things like carpets. For cats, scratching is a normal instinctive behavior. Be sure to provide your cats with plenty of sturdy scratching posts to help them satisfy their need to claw and scratch. Number 10. Female cats are more standoffish. A survey of veterinarians who specialize in cats ranked females as less affectionate than male cats, and some studies support the claim that female cats are more standoffish and fearful toward humans. However, it is important to remember that the individual personalities between female and male cats will vary. Other factors such as early socialization, individual personality, and reproductive health are the better determiners of how affectionate your cat will be. Number 11. They can get pregnant young. Cats usually get pregnant very young, and female kittens can go into heat as early as 4 months. If they aren't spayed or neutered, female cats can start having kittens as soon as they hit puberty at 4 months old. Female kittens can see the world around them sooner than male kittens because their eyes open sooner. Females are sexually mature between 7 and 12 months, while it takes males between 9 and 12 months. Some breeds, like Maine Coons, grow up more slowly than others. Number 12. Female orange tabby cats are rare. If you see an orange or ginger cat, it is unlikely to be female. This is because the genes responsible for coat color are sex-linked. The gene responsible for orange cats is carried by the X chromosome. Females always have 2 X chromosomes, XX. Males always have 1 X and 1 Y, XY. To be orange, a female cat must have the genes for orange in both X chromosomes. The black gene is more common in cats than the orange gene, so it's rare for females to inherit the 2 orange genes they need to be orange. About 80% of all orange tabby cats are male because they only need 1 orange X gene to be orange.